Is it true? Audi, one of the tycoons in the era of internal combustion engine cars, may be forced to bow down to Chinese car companies in the electric vehicle era. According to German media reports, in order to cope with the increasingly fierce competition in China's electric vehicle market, Audi is considering directly purchasing authorization for an electric vehicle platform from a local Chinese electric car company to shorten the development time of its models. Currently, relevant negotiations are underway. As a member of the BBA trio, Audi's influence in the era of internal combustion engine cars is self-evident. However, in the era of electric vehicles, this German century-old automobile brand is facing a crisis of declining influence. According to data disclosed by Audi, Audi's sales in the China region from January to March 2023 were 136,400 vehicles, a year-on-year decrease of 16%. Moreover, this decline is continuous, with Audi's sales in China in 2022 reaching 643,000 vehicles, a year-on-year decrease of 8.4%. The field of new energy. Although Audi continues to increase its efforts, the growth of its electric vehicle sales lags behind that of Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Therefore, Volkswagen CEO Herbert Diess has expressed his lamentation about Audi falling behind. Diess believes that the Audi brand has enormous potential, but it has not been translated into concrete products in recent years. In fact, Audi is not the first foreign leading car company to admit that its technology is not as advanced as China's. Toyota, once a global hegemon, has recently admitted that it is inferior to China in the development of pure electric vehicle models. It will establish a new research and development system in China to catch up with China's platform advantages in the development of new energy pure electric vehicles. Accelerating the transformation to electrification, the platform becomes the focus. To accelerate the transformation to electrification, Audi spared no expense. At the 2023 Audi Group annual press conference, Audi announced a major investment plan. From 2023 to 2027, two-thirds of the company's expenditures will be invested in the future electrification and digitization fields, totaling approximately 28 billion euros, about 221.9 billion renminbi. Duesman stated that by 2027, all models launched by Audi in all submarkets will be electric vehicles. To advance the electrification transformation, Audi has 4 cards in hand. In simple terms, the electrification platform is an important technical platform for car manufacturers to mass-produce electric vehicles, which can effectively improve the efficiency of automobile research and development, allowing car manufacturers to build different models based on the platform in a short period. Although Audi has many cards in hand, it has not yet achieved good results. This may be the reason why there are rumors that Audi is considering obtaining authorization for a Chinese electric platform. Currently, Chinese car companies have sufficient cards for electric platforms. After more than 10 years of macro-industry policy support and the rapid development of China's own brand automobiles, the new era of China's automobile industry chain is accelerating its shift to a critical period of breaking the game. It has not only gradually become a strategic emerging pillar industry in China's modernization process, but also has a comparative advantage in the global industry chain and supply chain. From the perspective of globalized industrial cooperation, the leading automobile brands in Europe and Japan purchasing state-of-the-art pure electric vehicle manufacturing technology from China not only greatly benefits the global automotive industry's green transformation, but also accelerates technological progress in the new energy vehicle industry chain in Europe and Japan. It fundamentally removes obstacles to enhancing their local green economy and energy conservation. The current inflation levels, high labor costs, and high industrial chain transformation costs in regions such as Europe, the United States, and Japan pose significant structural transformation bottlenecks on the supply side of their automotive industry. Importing relevant technology from China at this moment is the best way to shorten their technological learning curve and reduce the cost of technological transformation. Why would the electric vehicle platform of Chinese automakers be considered a delicacy by some European car manufacturers? Over the years, Europe, the United States, and Japan have adopted a highly protective stance toward their domestic automotive industries. The brand power of leading companies like BBA is deeply rooted in the minds of European consumers, making it challenging for other external car brands, including leading brands from Japan and the United States, to start from scratch in Europe. Due to the systematic comparative advantages of Chinese pure electric vehicle platform brands in technological research and development over European domestic brands, and with the recent acceleration of Chinese new carmakers going global, Chinese pure electric vehicle brands are gaining a foothold in the European market. European consumers are gradually accepting and recognizing the technological and brand power of Chinese pure electric platforms. Currently, Europe is becoming a major destination for China's automobile exports. According to a KPMG report titled Dreaming of Europe, China's new energy vehicles export to Europe. Nearly half of China's new energy vehicle exports go to Europe. In 2021, Europe became the largest region for China's new energy vehicle exports, and in 2022, China's exports of new energy vehicles to Europe continued to lead other regions. Why are Chinese new energy vehicles popular in Europe? On one hand, European domestic automotive brands face strict EU regulations on traditional fuel vehicles. On the other hand, European consumers now have a diverse selection of Chinese brands across various product lines and submarkets. The scale advantage of the Chinese new energy vehicle market allows companies to offer a greater variety of models, covering various market segments from low-end to mid-high-end, meeting the diverse needs of European consumers. Faced with strong pressure from both technology and demand sides, European top brands, once regarded as the teachers of Chinese automotive technology, are forced to humble themselves and, in turn, learn new energy vehicle technology from their students. This reciprocal learning is part of the globalization of technology transfer, and a bidirectional flow is the correct methodology for handling technology transfer issues between major nations. The news of Audi considering purchasing authorization for a Chinese electric vehicle platform reflects a new era in the Chinese automotive industry, where technology is being leveraged to gain market access, in contrast to the past practice of exchanging market access for technology. Many Chinese automakers are engaging in technology export initiatives overseas, leveraging technological advantages to secure market share in foreign regions. Behind Audi's decision to bow down lies the advancement in China's whole vehicle manufacturing technology. This leap forward is attributed to the accumulated experience of Chinese automakers over the years, including the expertise gained through collaborations with foreign automakers, encompassing assembly, processing, after-sales service, and more. Additionally, it benefits from the overall improvement in China's manufacturing capabilities, allowing for products with high quality and attractive pricing through the competence of the industrial and supply chains. Audi's decision to purchase authorization for an electric vehicle platform from a Chinese automaker can be seen as a strategic move to seek technological cooperation and address its own shortcomings in an intensely competitive environment. This also reflects the growing international recognition and respect for the technological development of Chinese automakers in the field of new energy. For Audi, cooperating and acquiring a suitable electric platform through collaboration with Chinese automakers is a wise choice in the face of urgent competitive pressures. The shift from the previous strategy of using the market to obtain technology to the current approach of using technology to obtain the market signifies a significant transformation for Chinese automakers. When Audi entered the Chinese market in the last century, it collaborated with FAW to establish a factory, using the market to obtain technology. Now, China holds a leading position in the electric vehicle market in terms of the industry chain technology, whole vehicle manufacturing, market reputation, and competitive pricing, showcasing international competitiveness.